Have you been trying to pay for your fees with the National Visa Center, the $120 and the $325, the set of fees for one foreign national applicant? Now you might have run into some trouble, so you want to watch the rest of this video. Okay, this is the National Visa Center part where it's the U.S. Department page, the portal, as some may call it, the Consular Electronic Application Center. So you go here, ceac.state.gov is the website, and you go click on fee payment. This is where you have to check mark that part. Of course, you have to read the terms of the Privacy Act notice. Okay, then you enter your case number. After you do that, you enter your invoice ID number. Now, these numbers, you would receive it from the email after your petition I-130 has been approved, or I-140. Now, after that, what happens? Okay, then you have the option to pay and select which fee, which would be the $120 first. However, from time to time, at least the last several years, unfortunately, it's not as simple as just checking which browser. I'm currently on Google Chrome. Google Chrome, for example, it showed up like this. And then here on Safari, unfortunately, it showed the same. Request URL was rejected. Sometimes it might not say exactly these terms, but it'll show you it's almost like the home page essentially stating, come back again. Technical error, try again in the future. If this happens to you, if you're going to start on Google Chrome, then switch over to Safari. And if that doesn't work, try the incognito or even private window in Safari. Now, if that doesn't work, try again later in the day. Okay, you got to just keep trying, or ask, or try it on a different computer. Okay, sometimes it could be the computer itself. I'm not sure why. Maybe it could be about internet cache. I believe that's what it's called. So anyway, don't give up. Don't think something's wrong with your case. It's not specific to you. It could be something related to the browser. Because anytime one individual on a team has tried it and it didn't work, we ask another team member, and then eventually it'll work. So sometimes not even time of day. We've heard from other attorneys that maybe it didn't work because of time of day. And I know we try to come up with some solutions and timing, whatnot. Even when we call USCIS hotline, there's a certain magic word we use, and that's InfoPass. So just in case anyone calls the USCIS hotline. Okay, I hope that you find this helpful, because I especially don't want you to think that it's something wrong with your case. Absolutely not. You just got to keep trying. You got to get through so that you could just make that payment, because this is necessary so that you can fill out your DS-260 and complete that, submit it, and also upload documents to in order for you to be documentarily qualified, or you might receive an email documentarily complete. And that is necessary so that you're in queue, in line for the visa interview. Now, of course, that doesn't mean you'll get the interview next week or next month, but just want to let you know those steps are necessary. All right, wish you all the best. Let me know in the comments your experience. Take care.